Good morning to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Axe Beauty. I woke up around 10 minutes ago. It's around 11 a.m. Sunday morning, and I thought, why not do a Sunday vlog? I enjoy watching Sunday vlog. I thought, let's do a Sunday vlog. It'll take you all throughout with me, whatever I do in the day. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Yes, I will generally wake up late on Sundays, and it is around 11, and I get out of the bed and come out to soak some sunlight. That's what I like doing on the mornings. So now let's get started with the day. My any morning has to start with hot water with lime, so that's what I've done. I'm just going to make the water hot and squeeze a lime and drink that. Till the time I'll drink my lime water, I'll check social media, Instagram, mail, Facebook, whatever is necessary, I'll do that and enjoy my hot water with lime. So now I just finished the lemon water and I'm going for the shower. I've oiled my hair also, so I'll do a head wash and all of that. So yeah, I'll see you after shower. Bye. So right after shower, I'll come out of the shower, put a skin toner. This one I'm using is from Mamaearth Vitamin C Skin Toner, and for lips I'll use the Lineage Moisture Surge in Grapefruit, and followed by that for skin cream. As I'm having acne, my dermat has suggested me to use Episoft AC, my forever favorite. It's very good for acne prone skin, so if any one of you is suffering from acne, do give this one a try. And as winters are soon approaching, my skin is becoming really dry. For body lotion, I'll go for Pomegranate Midnight Body Lotion by Bath and Body Works, and then I'll open my hair. And for the hair serum, I'll use Innisfree Hair Oil Serum. I'll just towel dry my hair and put few drops of Innisfree Hair Oil Serum, and then comb my hair from up to down. For natural drying, I'm not going to use any artificial dryers. As winters are approaching, my face skin is becoming really dry, so I'm going to use the Color Bar Rose oil. It has rose petals in it. It's a really good oil if you have dry skin, especially in winters. I was going to rub a few drops onto my palm and apply it on my face. And yeah, this is my zebra pajama set and my specs, without which I can't see, so I'm just cleaning my specs, wearing them that I can manage to read and do my normal work. So my day has to start with mummy giving me some almonds soaked overnight and tea. So I'm just going to peel off those almonds and eat them, and then followed by tea. So for me, as I have been taught and inculcated, and what I believe, it is very important to start your day the word of God, and that's what I've been doing since years and years. And I start my day with the message from God, and here I'm having tea and just listening to the message, a message which I can ponder upon the entire day, a message that'll make me feel better, a message that'll make me a better person. So I'm just having my tea and just listening to the word of God. So now I have read the Bible, done my prayer, and it's lunch time. I'll head for lunch. We have paneer ke parathe cooked by mom, matar paneer, green chutney of coriander, kale chane, and galka that is made out of raw mango. Yes, I'll see you guys after I have lunch. So now I'm all done with lunch. It's around 3 in the afternoon. Mummy and me are heading to the mall. I'm going to get ready for the mall as Mummy wants to buy some kurtis for gifting during Diwali. So yes, that's the plan ahead of the day. So yes, I'm going to get ready and I'll keep you guys updated. So now I'm all ready to go to the mall, and this is my outfit. I'm wearing this Powerpuff Girl top and jeans. I'll show you in detail, and this is how my makeup has turned out, and these earrings I've paired it up with. So yes, one thing that I have forgotten. So just before heading out, I am spraying myself with the Cactus Blossom Fine Fragrance Mist. It is from Bath and Body Works. So yeah, this is the fragrance for the day. Bye guys. So yes, this is how my makeup has turned out to be. I have just applied kajal and a little bit of blush and lipstick. So yes, I'm all ready to go to the mall. Well, for the outfit details, I am wearing my jeans is from Lifestyle, and then my top is from Only, and my mules are from Westside. Yeah, so this is Mummy, me and Mama going to the mall. Mama is dropping us, and Mummy and me will get down at the mall. Just waiting at the traffic light. Such a beautiful day. तो फाइनली हम लोग आ गए हैं मॉल और अब हम लोग करेंगे शॉपिंग. Basically idea or the plan is to go to Max and buy kurtis. So here Mummy and me are going to Max where we can look for kurtis and get our hands on it. Max आ गया. Matter whatever is the occasion, I'll go to buy stuff for other people but end up buying 10 things for myself, as you can see in the basket. Akriti problem, this is called. We know a few girls do the same. We go to shop for other people and end up buying 10 things for ourselves. Yes, so now finally mummy and me are heading back home. So yeah, home sweet home. We dumped all the stuff that we bought and right away headed to the grocery store to buy basic groceries that were required. So I came back from the mall, then I went to the supermarket. I did some shopping with mummy, the grocery regular shopping, and now I'm finally back. And this is how I look after so many hours of applying the makeup. And I think I'll end the vlog here. It's around 7:45 right now, so I'll end the vlog now. I hope you guys enjoy watching as much as I did making the vlog, and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.